What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Google Ads. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then type in Google Ads or just simply type business.google.com. So you will be redirected to this page of Google Ads. Now, if you are new to Google Ads, just sign in with your account and password and spoiler alert, guys, if you want to change your currency in your current Google Ads account, that means if you already have created an account with a currency type and if you want to change it, you can't change it directly. You have to start everything from scratch and you have to create a new Google Ads account. So now let's get started. Now, after that, it will ask you to enter your business information. And if you want to link any of these accounts, like your YouTube channel, your Merchant Center account, or your phone number, you can. But if you want to skip it, you can just simply skip it. And to create your campaign, just choose a goal like purchases, submit a lead form, phone call leads, page views, and brand awareness. And here are some more options that you can choose from. I will just skip it for now. And then to choose a campaign type like video or other campaign type like high intent customers at the right time on Google search. You can choose a campaign subtype like video views or video reach. I'll just skip it simply and I will leave campaign creation. Now, here is the most crucial and important part. You will choose your billing country, your time zone, and then the most important, your currency. Make sure to choose the correct currency, guys, because you can choose it only once in Google Ads. So this is how you can change your currency in Google Ads. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.